This is how to make breakfast tacos for period 3's brunch.
In English class.
In English class.
How to make tacos in English class.
So first we got the
bacon.
We got the bacon over here. We're cooking it up. It's smelling delicious. Smelling great.
The applewood.
Now we have our cooler over here. We're gonna have the eggs in here. We're gonna cook those up later. We brought some butter. This is all show with ice. It's looking really nice. And we have our other station over here filled with salsa. We got salsa. We got cheese. And then we have baking sheets to lay the stuff on. And yeah, so it's looking really good right now. We'll let y'all know how it goes later once we get the eggs on the grill. All right, so we got the bacon looking good, bacon all crispy.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it up pretty soon. Put it in here so the grease can get absorbed. That way we can sprinkle it on top of the eggs inside the tacos. All right, some bacon egg tacos going.
All right, man. Sound good. So step 2 is testing the salsa. You ready? How's it taste?
That's good. Actually,
Beautiful. Beautiful salsa. All right, man. How's it smelling in here, bro?
Smelling good, smelling like bacon, smelling like eggs. You know, we're gonna eat good today. Thanks to y'all. You know,
Hey, man,
we're
we're
heroes.
excited. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, man. 3, cutting the bacon.
All right, yeah. So we gotta make these into tiny pieces, right? So they're shareable throughout the tacos. Right? Can't go too big because you can't give one taco too much bacon. And you gotta make it a good size to where you can sprinkle it.
All right, man. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. All right. So the next step is to crack on these eggs. We're gonna put them all on there, and then we're gonna scramble them up.
Scramble them up. So,
Probably gonna go in batches of 8 or so. This thing's not big enough, but yeah, that's the next step.
But yeah, you didn't need to because everyone has all the extras put on their own one. So yes, you should have access.
So I'm gonna scrape all this off, and then
yep. Scrape all that out.
before we do another batch.
2 more. Got the egg scrambled. Looking nice. Things coming along beautifully. Blake just burned himself, but it's all right.
Anything for the cause.
Anything for the food, man. I know how we get down over here. All right, so we got the second batch of eggs going now. Just like we got T-minus 5 minutes until
all y'all arrive.
So we're just getting ready. About to put the tortillas on the grill in a minute after we're done with the eggs. So it's looking good. It's looking good though. There we go. Second batch. Second batch looking good. Go for it. And then T-minus 30 seconds till everybody comes in, so
Get that one.
one hand doing tricks on it. So, you recording? So this is the final step. We got the tortillas on the grill. Real quick, we're cooking them up, assembling. We got our little station with all the condiments and stuff. So yeah, this is the last part. This is the final push. Everybody's happy. Sounds like so. Yeah, successful brunch. Looks like. So yeah. It's like for 30 seconds.
I want you behind it.
You have another
For what? For
oh shit, dude.
Hey, next time put crab in it. Crab in it?
We're here with Brandon. So Brandon, how do you like tacos today, man?
Tacos, oh, they were amazing. They went together so well with the bacon, potato, and the egg, cheese. Everything went together so well.
What was your favorite ingredient that we used out of everything we've had?
Favorite ingredient? I would say the potatoes and the eggs.
Okay. All right, man. Finally, last question. Easy would it be to follow the steps that we provided for you?
I feel like it would be really easy because it's just basic stuff: bacon, egg, cheese, potatoes, and you just gotta put it on the pan, assemble it. Pretty easy.
All right, man. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Of course.
Go.
all right, Trin. So how'd you like tacos?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
What was your favorite ingredient that we put in? You said
Probably the bacon.
bacon? Bacon may go a long way. How likely are you to recommend these tacos to your friends?
Very likely.
And how likely are you to follow the steps that we made to make your own?
100%. I'm definitely
right.
making these at home.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
All right, so last step is to clean. But while I clean, we're gonna get a quick little summary over the whole process. First, heat up your griddle, add the bacon. You use the grease from the bacon to cook your eggs. Then you cut up your bacon and your eggs and mix them together. Lay it out on your tortillas, which you heat up with butter. And finally, you add your cheese so it can melt and your salsa on top. And that is how you make those breakfast tacos.